Does the David Goggins style of workout actually help you lose weight? Or is it just pain glorified as progress? You've seen the videos, 4 a.m. runs, hundreds of pull-ups, jogging, running, doing Navy SEAL workouts, mental toughness dialed up to 100. So I decided to put myself through the David Goggins workout just to see how intense it really is. And within 10 minutes, I was questioning every life decision I ever made. But quitting wasn't an option. Not today. So here's what that workout looked like. Deadlifts, pull-ups, seated dumbbell curls, back extension, lateral pull-downs, preacher curls, lat raises, reverse fly, and since it's a David Goggins workout, running for 30 minutes.
Hate running. I absolutely hate running. And David Goggins' entire workout is based around running.
But here's the thing. His workouts are not exactly doctor recommended. I mean, peeing blood after a workout, that's not progress, it's trauma. What's up, YouTube? How y'all doing? Today, we're going to talk about the David Goggins workout. I'm sure all of you have heard about it. I'm sure all of you know what it's about. But the real question is it healthy? We're going to be breaking out the science behind these absolute intense workouts, the weight loss myth, and whether pushing past your limits is healthy or just hype. So let's dive right into the science of these extreme workouts. When you train like David Goggins, what's exactly happening to your body? Number one, you burn calories. Yes, you do burn calories. But what David Goggins isn't going to tell you that you also spike up your cortisol, which is your stress hormone. And with that intense style of training, not only are you losing fat, but you're also losing muscle. So you're also risking muscle breakdown. Your sleep suffers, your recovery drops, and your immune system takes a big hit. Losing weight while destroying your body is absolutely not a vibe. Your body will actually gain back the weight you lost even faster. मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों को सुना होगा that you should do incline walking, which is much better than actually running and sprinting for fat loss, because steady state cardio where your body is not being put through like a very intense workout, you burn the fat in your body. But when you do a very intense workout, you start burning the muscles that you have built also. So you're kind of in a way also impacting your progress. See, I understand fat loss science is boring, but it works. Being in a moderate caloric deficit, progressive strength training where you're increasing weight say every week or 2 weeks, walking, yes, walking, sufficient sleep, not taking too much stress. All of these factors are going to help you lose weight much more sustainably than running 10 kilometers every day. These things will actually increase your basal metabolic rate, which will help increase not your metabolism, but also help you burn more calories on the daily, even when your body is not doing anything. See, I'm not saying David Goggins' plan doesn't work, but it only works if you're training to be a Navy SEAL, cutting weight for a boxing match, or punishing yourself. Balance is what works. I'm sure तुम सबने वो no pain, no gain वाले edits देखे होंगे, where people are glorifying this absolute punish yourself to become the best version of yourself. Do you ever wonder why we love watching people suffer? It's dramatic, it's inspiring, and it sells the dream that pain is equal to progress. But there's a very thin line between discipline and damage. In fact, most people quit fitness because they go too hard, too quick. Look, now I'm not saying कि भाई David Goggins जितना intense workout मत करो, तुम अपनी body को damage मत करो ऐसे, तुम वो workout sustain कर सकते हो, then go for it. It will 100% yield results in the longer run if you're able to keep it up.
This girl was tiring. I guess David Goggins does have something cooking.
But for most people, at least 90% of the people, it is not sustainable. It's not going to help you achieve long-term results. And there's a very high chance that your recovery, sleep, stress, everything will be affected. So is the David Goggins workout safe or not?
This is a bad decision. We should have just kept it talking to the camera. Why did I choose to do the workout?
Well, it works if your mind, your body, and your recovery are aligned. Otherwise, it's just a shortcut to burnout. Your fitness journey should elevate you, not exhaust you. Sustained energy, bina crash ke, that's the real win. And if you're looking for long-lasting energy without the crash, start looking for natural alternatives. You see what I did there? I kind of used it. You saw what I did there, right? That's pretty clever, na? That was clever. अगर तुम्हें clever लगा तो अभी के अभी like, share, subscribe कर दो, okay? Okay. अभी के अभी कर दो, ठीक है? And of course, as always, I'm Anuj, your friendly neighborhood gym bro, and subscribe to Betterworld for science-backed, no BS fitness breakdowns.
David Goggins workout is for people who don't do a day job. So if you do a day job, David Goggins workout isn't for you. Be sure to like and subscribe though to the Betterworld India channel.